2023 Audi A5 Sportback. The A5 Sportback is an incredible looking, fun dealing with, smooth driving premium vehicle that isn't quite as forceful as the 349 horsepower S5 Sportback, which we survey independently. As an extended form of the A5 Roadster and convertible, the A5 Sportback utilizes an indistinguishable powertrain arrangement with a turbocharged inline-four rushed to a 7-speed, double-grip, programmed transmission and all-wheel drive. A5 Sportback 40 model has 201 drive and 236 pound-feet of force, while A5 Sportback 45 model acquires an extra 60 strength and 40 pound-feet of force. A rich broadness of standard comforts like great calfskin, an all-encompassing sunroof, and grouchy surrounding lighting cause even the base A5 Sportback to feel extravagant. While adversaries, for example, the Mercedes-Benz C-class or Beginning G70 have seemingly more sharp insides, the Sportback's is butressed by an inconceivably clear and innovative advanced measure show with accessible route dealt with by Google Earth symbolism. What's going on for 2023? The Audi A5 Sportback shows up as for the most part a similar vehicle, with a couple of hardware changes for 2023. Another arrangement of 18-inch Haggles-driven network-style headlights are currently standard on all models. The Bang & Olufsen 3D sound framework has likewise been added as standard gear for the top-notch in addition to manage as it were. The dark optic in addition to appearance bundle has been extended to incorporate a dark backlip spoiler and exhaust tips. Versatile voyage control is presently included with the discretionary comfort bundle. At last, another Cronus dark tone replaces Quantum Dim as a paint choice for the 2023 A5 Sportback. Evaluating and which one to purchase. We like the mid-range premium in addition to. It adds a lot of highlights to legitimize its increase in cost, including Audi's stunt virtual cockpit computerized check show. We likewise propose the essentially more impressive 45 model, which has 261 pull versus the 40's 201. Motor, transmission, and execution. For 2023, the A5 Sportback can be had with two turbocharged 4-chamber powertrains. Models wearing the 40 identification give 201 drive while the 45s siphon out 261 ponies. All-wheel drive is standard and all A5 Sportbacks accompany a 7-speed, double-grasp programmed transmission. We haven't tried either model yet. However, the last age vehicle with a 252 horsepower motor dealt with a 5.0 second 0 to 60 mph result at our test track, so we expect the 45 to be comparably speedy. The A5 Sportback is made, sure, and simple to pass quick through corners. Its beginning and end a cutting-edge sport vehicle ought to be. Its deftness misrepresents its solace, as well. Potholes and broken asphalt do practically nothing to disturb it, particularly when it's outfitted with the discretionary versatile suspension. The very much weighted guiding feels normal in the driver's hands, and the front tires answer quickly to inputs, making this Audi a delight to steer on twisty landing area.